Hi, this is Bankole Manuel from Cispire Digital, and today I'll be teaching you how to build a WordPress website. And this is very, very key for those who don't know how to program or who don't have any coding skill at all, but you want to have a website of your own. Without wasting much time, I want us to start. And for those who really don't want to pay for domain name and hosting because you're just testing your website development skill, I'll advise you to go to this website 000webhost.com. This is how it looks. And when you log on to the website, just click on free sign up. And when you click on free sign up, it should be able to take you to where you will sign up, and it will send you an email notification. And if you click on the email notification, it will take you straight back to the website where you can start your website development. So for your free sign up, you come here, you type your username. For me, I'll be taking TutorWeb, and I'll be using my own password. And so I advise you to do the same. And the name of the website, for you, because it's a test website, you just type any name you would like to use, and I'll be using TutorWeb. And you can see it says tutorweb.000webhost.app.com. So let's click on get free hosting.